Hello guys. Um, Today I will be talking about an issue for AWS Chime SDK for JavaScript. So here in this is the repository for the Amazon Chime SDK. So I have an issue in my application. So let me just go to the issues. Alright, in here there's someone who has the same issue as mine. So this is the issue that I've encountered. Cannot read property ID of undefined. So this is in Angular, but I'm using React, but that doesn't really matter. So here, this is the issue, the same issue that I have in my React application. So it says cannot read property ID of undefined. It's under create peer connection task. Alright, so I will show you how I replicate this issue using their demo application. So their demo application is under demos and then browser. Okay, so we'll be using that. So let me see. Alright, so in here, so I've just cloned the repository. So in the demo, and go to the browser. So in the app there is two folders. So I'll be using the meeting v2 for now for this demo. So I actually ran it already, so I'll just run it. So to run that, just type in npm run start, then fast. So in this one, if you don't specify what app you're going to use, like for example app meeting or meeting v2, if you're not going to do that, it will automatically use meeting v2. So yeah, we will do that to use meeting v2. Okay, so basically in my scope of my application, when you click on the join button, I am expecting that the camera should already be turned on when joining the meeting, but in this demo here, the camera is turned off by default. So I tried to enable the camera in my app after joining the meetings. So that's why I get the issue. So let me show you in this demo. For now, I did not change anything on this demo yet. So let me show you what it looks like. So localhost 8080. Alright, so in here you can create a meeting like test meeting for. Alright, alright, so allow that. Okay, so as you can see, my camera is already on in this page. So I already selected this camera, HD webcam. So what I'm expecting here is that when I click on the join button, I should be able to see the camera, the output of the camera. So when I click on the join button, as you can see, the camera is turned off, and here you can see in the button here that it's currently turned off, so you can turn it on yourself manually. So yeah, that's not what I wanted in my application. So when you click on the join button, it should look like this already, where your camera is already turned on. Okay, so in the console you can see that there's no error here. there's no errors. Yep. So okay, so I will try to what I did in this demo is to let me just leave that meeting, is to um, enable the camera. So in under the meeting v2 folder, I'll open the meeting v2.ts, and in the join I'll just search for join. Join forum devices join. Alright, so in here this is where we click on the join button. So as you can see, there is the join function here, and then in this one is actually stopping the preview video, as what you have seen in the first. Let me just test and then test. Okay, so this is the preview here. So in the code, this one will actually stop this will actually stop the video in this one, this area here. Okay, so I'll refresh that. So once that's done, it will clear the video selection device using this code here. Now what I did was to actually start the video when clicking on the join button here. So what I did was instead of null, I'll use the first video element. So I'll search for that, open video input. Okay, so open video input, search, right, this one, this value here. So this value here is the one that's selected from the setup page, so I will be using this one. Okay, so I'll replace the null with this value. Okay, and then the next thing I did was to actually start the video. So to do that, go this that audio video that start right there. So that one. So I tried using since these are async methods, so I could use await like that, and then save it. So and then restart the server. Okay, so this is what I did. So when you click on the join button, it will activate the join function. So the join function has two main parts. I mean three main parts. The first two is just selecting the audio input and the audio output. Well, basically I could just add the video input selection here, but since it's in the this one is put in place, so even if I go and select video selection device here, it will still be selected as null here, right here. So I'll just add this after the join button, this two. So let's go to the browser and check. Okay, let's refresh that just to make sure. Alright, let's see. Let's log in again. Okay, continue. Alright, so we have the camera, no issues. Yep, no errors, just 2 warnings here. Yep, so that's all good. So let's just clear this out. Alright, and then we will try to join the click on the join meeting. So let's just click put that maybe there. Alright, okay, so let's join the meeting. Alright, as you can see, the camera is turned on, and this is actually what I actually wanted, but the issue here is that there is an error, this one. So when you click on that one, it says that cannot read property of undefined from create peer connection task. So that's basically what this error is saying in here. Where is it? Here it is. Okay, so this is the error here. I actually posted mine here, so yeah, I have some explanation here going on. Yep, so yeah, I think that's all I can demonstrate on how I replicate this issue. Trung actually checked on it, and he said that it seems fine in his side. So now I just post this in the issue, and then maybe he could help out on this one. Alright, so that's all. So yep, thanks, bye.